Sorry for the video quality, as I have recently formatted my laptop. I have not installed the screen recorder. For downloading Windows 10 Activator, link is in description. Now let's begin. As you can see, my Windows 10 is not yet activated. Let's open the Activator. Please install WinRAR and turn off the antivirus or Windows security beforehand. Enter the password given in Notepad, which is 12345. Install it. It will take some time. After it completes, check your Windows properties. It should be already activated. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel.